Isn't it strange how the people who brought the most chaos to your life are always the most surprised when you let them go? They disrupted your peace for years, started drama, created problems, made everything about them, turned your life upside down whenever they felt like it. But the moment you finally cut them off, they're shocked. They can't believe you'd do this to them. They tell everyone how cruel you are, how you changed, how you abandoned them for no reason. They genuinely don't see the connection between their behavior and your decision. In their mind, you're supposed to tolerate whatever they do forever. They think causing chaos is just who they are, and you should accept it. The same person who never respected your boundaries is now offended that you finally set one. They're not sorry for what they did. They're just mad you won't let them keep doing it.